Hi, I'm Amy from the Aviation Factory. Today we are at Kortrijk Airport, one of the top airports in Belgium to depart from with a private jet. And today we have the opportunity to look at this amazing aircraft, the Challenger 350. Welcome on board in the spacious cabin of the Challenger 350, which can sit up to 9 passengers, and it's the widest and the tallest cabin in this class and also the quietest cabin. You have 6 comfortable seats on board, and besides the seats you also have a sofa where you can sit up to 3 passengers, and it can also be configured through beds. The cabin offers exquisite finishes and sleek styling, with an onboard entertainment system which can be controlled from every seat. The clever fold-out tables, with a luxury touch of course, are perfect for when you need to work on board, and can easily be folded back when it's time to relax. With all flights on the Challenger 350, VIP catering is included, like this delicious breakfast over here. Cheers! And if you would like to enjoy a coffee or something fresh to drink, the fully equipped galley offers a wide range of refreshments and snacks. You have a fully enclosed lavatory. Of course, with all the luxury finishes you would expect in a private jet of this class. For 9 passengers, the baggage compartment is large enough to bring all you need. And you can safely access what you need at all times, so no need to worry in case you forgot something. Now just sit back, relax and enjoy your flight with the Aviation Factory.